From Angry Bug. So today we're installing Protogent antivirus. Antivirus is not enough.
You need Protogent.
The only antivirus is data recovering software. Think antivirus. Think Protogent.
Okay, just to be clear, never download this. We're using a software.
Low key kind of works.
No, it doesn't. It's a rogue system, dude. Don't actually give your name.
Do we have it?
Dude, what the heck? Don't. They're gonna send you.
It's fine. It's fine. Oh yeah, we're from.
We're from Afghanistan.
From
Belarus. Sounds like a disease.
It does.
Sorry, that's terrible. Protect you from viruses.
Why are we on Microsoft Edge though? Don't worry, this is a VM. This isn't my actual computer.
Well, I mean, the actual computer's down there.
Yeah, this is my actual computer. This is a VM.
This still doesn't seem very safe, but...
It's completely fine. Completely fine.
I am Proto. Your security is my motto. He looks like the Super Y guy.
Is that it? Woo! Yes, we want to do that.
Are you actually installing Protogent?
Yes, I'm actually installing Protogent.
PTSD.
Yes. I accept the agreement. Yes.
I accept malware. Cache proof.
Oranges.
What have you done?
Installed Protogent on my PC.
Well, not your PC, right?
The only thing is
Oh no.
software. Antivirus is not enough. You need Protogent.
Oh no, my system crashed. I lost all my data, but I had an antivirus. Antivirus is not enough. You need Protogent.
I think we should play that. Come on, we need to.
RJ, I'm filming and you just typed in P.
It's a VM, don't worry about it. Wait, oh wait, I don't think this is what you want. Going for it anyway.
This is all animated. Oh no,
nice
this is the wrong one.
Nice meme.
Oh, this one, I was watching this earlier.
Oh no.
Turn it up.
It's not a bad thing. Man's trying to get his homework done.
She doesn't trust him. That mom is untrusting. Project, Mama.
Yes, Mama.
This is so good.
What happened? I'm just worried all the time about what all has he been doing on his computer. I hope he's
Listen to
not
the terrible
involved
80s
himself
music.
in any of the wrong activities on the internet, you know. Yeah.
Any of the wrong activities.
This is very risky, as this may lead to wrong habits in Chintu.
You know me?
Ah,
Don't know.
I'm Proto, and I represent
No, it's super wide.
Protogent.
Protogent.
Then
Yes, now you don't have to worry at all. Protogent 360 provides you complete security by providing
So how's
protection
Protogent doing?
from viruses and internet threats.
This is terrifying.
Protection from unethical activities. Protection from data theft.
now I feel
That lip sync was horrible and non-existent.
You need. Yes, you need protection.
Oh!
Install me on your computer to protect your data better.
It's pretty funny. Alright, we need to.
Securing your business and
We need to.
You could just go back.
MOTO. Never fit. Protect your
Leakage.
Look. Oh,
wait,
go back,
we
go
missed
back.
it. No.
You gotta turn it up though.
Complete securities by MOTO.
Yes.
Oops, my system crashed. I lost my data, but I had an antivirus. Antivirus is
His voice.
Protogent, world's only
They literally
antivirus
just
with data
slapped a
recovery
mustache in the other guy.
software.
Didn't have enough computing power. Alright, we're done.
Oh my
We're
goodness.
done here.
Oh, he lives in Delhi. At least you're not lying
Oh.
about where they're located. Like most scammers.
Oh, this is the demo download, dude. This ain't gonna work. We need the full experience. Oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
What have you done?
Rebooted my PC.
Well, it's the fake one, right? The real one didn't reboot.
Well, I mean, did the real one reboot?
Minecraft. Ow.
Yeah, I put Minecraft. Deal with it. Oh god. Oh, okay.
What happened?
Now, there you go. Almost there. The VM boots up like that all the time.
It starts with DOS, dude?
Yeah.
Well, this is nice. Complete security is my motto.
I actually had to install this in like a DOS environment. It's actually kind of cool.
Sounds pretty cool. Back in the day, they used to have to install games like that. Hours of code for one 4-bit game. Sounds fun. So we're gonna log on, get some Chromium going.
Oh yeah.
Spyware, malware,
I'm ready.
Trojan.
I'm ready. Oh, God. Oh, dude, you want to see my pen? It's 1973.
Is that just for the VM?
Yeah. And for literally everything else in my life.
So I'm gonna put this on YouTube.
Alright, sounds good.
Wait, do you care? Cause
Okay.
like, what?
Okay.
You want people to know your pin?
It's just for the VM. I don't use a pen for anything else but this VM because it made me.
Oh, cool. Oh yeah, I just installed Protogent on this right here.
Oh, dude, yeah.
My gaming machine.
Yes. I really want to overclock a calculator. I don't know what.
Overclock a calculator.
Yes.
You're gonna like divide by 0.
Oh, yeah. That was pretty solid.
Min Mountain
Wait,
Dew
hold on.
aft.
No, hold on. We got a detachable lens. It's pretty good. It's like one of them fisheye lenses.
Oh, that was kind of cool.
Ooh.
Crust.
Protogent! Yes! You need this in my life. I also tried to install Bonzi Buddy. She don't work on Windows 10. I was sad.
Yeah, we
It
need
might work on
Bonzi Buddy.
XP though. That's why I should install a VM with Windows XP.
How about you just like install it on Windows XP? Because we have one.
'Cause I
Oh
wanna
dear.
actually continue
Oh,
using
this
my
is
computer.
scary. Your license will be expire in 30 days.
Alright. Do we want to... We want to scan. We want to do... Oh,
Removable media.
If we scan this with this...
Does that say quarantine?
Yeah. Like every single other antivirus server, it actually like quarantines infected files.
I love how the thing is called uninstall systems. That's the name.
Oh, yes.
Uninstall.
Yes.
It's like, yeah, we're gonna like delete everything.
Wait, it's not okay.
Missing files better.
Wait, what did you say? Wait. Chris can't finish. Scanned address. Wait.
Hi, I'm
No
Cortana.
threats. It's actually kind of accurate.
Yeah, but it's like secretly invading the whole computer.
That's a problem.
That's why nobody install this. This is...
That was actually kind of dumb.
Well, we're gonna try to fix this because I think it's gonna blow up the entire
Well, I
computer.
mean, I'm surprised it didn't detect Bonzi Buddy as a threat.
Dude, they're probably like the same company.
Probably. Lucky. I also tried to go onto the dark web. I got the TOR resin.
Okay, that's not good.
Crash proof.
We're gonna go now, bye.